For the most part, I work alone. This leads me to find easier, safer ways of doing things, so I'm not putting myself in any kind of danger or overworking myself. When I went to put the ceiling up in this shop, I knew I couldn't lift a full 4x8 sheet of OSB up over my head while I was standing on top of the scaffolding. I also didn't know how I was going to get a full sheet of OSB up onto the scaffolding. So I got the idea of ripping the sheets of OSB into 2-foot by 8-foot sheets, making them lighter and easier to handle. I just needed something to help me hold it up. This little cleat is something I came up with, leaving it a little loose so the sheet of OSB slides in easily. Since I'm using OSB, I can use the previous sheet of OSB to secure this cleat in place. Since the scaffolding isn't very tall, it's pretty easy to get a half sheet of OSB up to where I'm working. I put a 6mm sheet of plastic up before I put the OSB on the ceiling. This is going to help seal it all in. If you're using sheetrock, you'd tape and mud the joints and do the same thing. I didn't follow any specific nail pattern when I was putting this up. Simply used 3 screws on every stud, making it 15 screws per 2x8 sheet. All in all, it went pretty quick. I never felt like I was in danger and didn't feel like I was overworking myself. Let me know what you think of this little hack down in the comment section. Until next time, go make something.